EnSo has helped businesses across a range of industries realize millions of dollars in savings. We have achieved this by specializing in incentives, credit services, and profit recovery. These rebates and credits are based on universal activities that you may conduct daily. One of these industries is in the automotive sector. We have found that automotive businesses conduct many qualifying activities routinely without knowing what these activities entitle them to. Think in terms of upgrading your tools or equipment, testing to meet compliance regulations and safety requirements, and efforts to improve environmental safety or worker safety. These are only a few specific examples of qualifying activities. Your business may be entitled to tax rebates. Ask your EnSo representative about our incentive analysis that we do at no charge.